Another wonderful performance. I don't know what all the kids learn. I just asked my son, what is that you have learned? He learned one thing. Don't tell me to compare with anyone else from tomorrow. Can you believe it? So I think now I have to hear this for the next, I don't know how many years, but I'm just prepared for that. So sometimes, life. Let us now hear from Mr. Surya Prakash Motipati, and he is one of the beneficiaries of the North-South Foundation. He received the scholarship. So let's hear from him live. He happens to be here. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Surya Prakash Motipati. I'm very happy to be here for the 25th anniversary celebration. My joy is totally different. I'm one of the recipients of NSF scholarship. So this is the great organization which helped me when I was in desperate need of help. As I recall back, my family was all happy when I secured 67th rank in Engineering and Medical Common Entrance Test, 1998, which is 17 years ago. My father had mixed feelings. My father had mixed feelings on how to cope up with my college expenses as well as my brother's education. In such a situation, to know about NSF scholarship and to get one was really joy to me and my family. I did my bachelor's in electronics and communication from Regional Engineering College, Warangal in 2002. Later, I did my master's from Indian Institute of Science and graduated in 2005. After my master's, I joined Microsoft and worked there for 9 years. Recently moved to eBay at Bellevue, Washington. So during my bachelor's study, I gave NSF scholarship information to one of my junior. Her name is Pratima Petnikoti. She later became my wife, my life partner. So somebody here was referring, it's statistical anomaly, like 2 scholarships from NSF goes to my family. We are lucky family. Thanks you. So Pratima also did bachelor's in electronics and communication and graduated in 2003. Later she worked for a few companies, starting with Defense Research and Development Organization in Bangalore, Amused, Qualcomm, and now she is working for Intel at Redmond, Washington. NSF helped both of our families. Once we started working, we helped our siblings' education and took care of every expense for our parents. My brother Vishnu Maheshwar, he completed Chartered Accountant and Company Secretary. Pratima's sister, Uma Maheshwari, she completed Master of Computer Applications. Now we don't hesitate to help even an unknown third person. We know that heartfelt help never goes wrong, but just grows. We have proof for that, that's us. So this is a great organization run by many pure hearts who take time from their busy lives to help thousands of families. I will be always thankful to NSF and Dr. Ratnam Chitturi. Thank you all.
So you said your wife is here? She's not, but she's a recipient of NSF scholarship also. All right, wonderful, congratulations, and thank you for taking the time to come here and help us understand how you got benefited from this great organization. Thank you. So now, let's hear from Mr. Mallikarjun Garipalli. So he's also another NSF scholarship recipient, and he happens to be here among us. And one more thing, right after he speaks, we are going to have the raffle for the iPad mini. So if you haven't sent the donation form, please, yeah.
Thank you for my introduction. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mallikarjun Garipalli. I want to share my NSF story with you. I grew up in a small village called Jagadevpur, which is in Telangana state. I still remember my 4th and 5th grade days. We learned under trees we had no school building. Sometimes our classes were cancelled because of the rains or bad weather. You see how poor our village was? In my 10th standard, I secured top rank among 30 villages in my district. Thank you. Then we learned a decent college for +2 would cost around $400 per year. My father owned a small bicycle store and had to support a family of 5 members. So there was no way that our family could afford $400 per year for my +2 college. Then one of my father's friends suggested a college, Vidyaniketan Junior College, in Karunapuram, located in Warangal district, which cost about $100 per year. But it was tough to get into the college. It was through an entrance examination. I studied hard because that was my way to get into the college or not. So I studied hard and prepared well for the entrance exam, and I got first rank in that entrance examination. I was very happy. Because of that first rank, the college waived off the tuition fees of $100. Then, after my +2, I took statewide engineering entrance examination called MSET. I am placed in 198 rank amongst more than 100,000 applicants. With that rank, I was able to get into a prestigious college called NIT Warangal, and I got a seat in mechanical engineering. I was very happy, but then my family could not afford the tuition fee, which was around $500 per year, including residence. Then I began desperately seeking help for various charitable organizations. The North-South Foundation answered my prayers and came forward and offered me $150 per annum in 1962-2000, my engineering. That was very good amount. It might not seem like a lot amount, but that was the difference between my getting an education or not. After my engineering, I got a job in Tata Consultancy Services and placed in Chennai. And on June 30, 2000, I still remember the date, I got my first paycheck of $300. It was a very good amount. You cannot imagine how much it was meant to me and my family. Then my brother, my elder brother, though born to the same parents, did not fare the same opportunity. With my education and career, I have been able to help him, his family, and my parents, and my sister, and my nephews in many different ways, including high healthcare bills. Now I live in Peoria, Illinois, working as a software engineer for Siemens. And I have my wife Vinita and my 2 sons Akhilesh and Aditya, who are also in the audience. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very thankful to North-South Foundation. I am here to tell you that every contribution to the North-South Foundation, whether it is a volunteer or financially, transforms the lives of bright young boys and girls. NSF touched my heart. and it is now my turn to contribute in different ways to help these young people and their families. And I'm very thankful to Dr. Chitturi Garu for his great motivation since my engineering. Thank you very much.